Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Grapevine, Texas. This is next to the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Let's take a look inside. We are starting off in the main living room area. This is kind of like a one-bedroom apartment. So you have your couch with pillows, a dining area, making our way to the bathroom slash you could say kitchen with a sink and mirror. Comes with a coffee maker, 2 cups, creamer, your coffee packets, sugars, basically sweeteners. Below is your microwave. And to the left is the fridge. Now we're gonna make our way to the bedroom area. You got a TV, a dresser. Two dressers on the side of the bed with lamps. Closer look at the image above the bed frame. An overview of the room. Next to the doorway is the closet door. You have a desk for working. Trash can. A quick look into the closet. You got an extra pillow and blanket, hangers, iron board. Here is the safe below. Now making our way to the bathroom. Photo above the toilet. Hand towels, face towels, right next to the mirror. Body towels below, extra toilet paper. You have your hand soap on the left side of the sink. Comes with facial foam, cleanser. And you got your shampoo, body lotion, shower gel. Turning around to the bathtub. With shower head if you prefer showers. Here's another overview of the living room area. This pretty much completes the tour. Please subscribe and like. And until next time, hope you enjoyed.